Good morning, teacher. Today I will talk about my achievement during this year and my long-term goals. My first achievement. Well, this 2020 had started quickly and at the same time anyone by all the events such as the pandemic and economic problems. However, I have made few but important achievements in my physical and academic aspect. First, my first achievement was to pass my university course to based on effort. I was able to well in my course since April. I made the commitment to do well in my grades, even though I have not finished college yet. For example, I studying communications at Universidad de Lima. My second achievement was made since September, which is to have started working as a seller of electronic products. I have to go to sell products and thus generate income in my store. After going to my English classes, I must get to ready to go to work. Well, I always go by bicycle. Although maybe I will retire from the job since I only enter to have experience. Finally, my third achievement. My third achievement this year is to have supporting my sister company that sells accessories or house for cats, Los Gatos Hermanos. After my college classes or university college classes, I had to help sell my sister company for sale. I hope I will go to study a little marketing after I finish my college classes or university classes because by me the marketing is important for anyone else and anybody, and for me it's very great for my career. Now I present my first goal. I present my three long-term goal. Well, the first, I hope I will become my music producer about my career, comunicaciones or communications in Spanish, by finishing my university degree that I have been studying since 2018 and create new talents or singers, for example. My second goal is to be able to travel around the world or many countries for North America or Europe and learn about their other cultures and societies. And I hope I will go to visit my family that live in the United States, for example, Virginia. Finally, my third and important goals by me is to finish my classes learning at ICPNA. Well, I hope I will go on a trip and be able to help other persons or people with the language and be able to make a friends of all the world. I have been studying at ICPNA since 2017, and I have not finished Intermediate 6 yet. I hope I will go to groups to learn more about the language, because the language is more important than any people, and the English is the most important around the world. Thank you, teacher. Goodbye.